class, I want you to take out a piece of paper and you're going to fold it in 16 parts. So you're going to fold the paper in half. And then you're going to fold it one more time. Okay, you're going to open it up. You're going to fold it this way this time. Earlier was, I believe, hot dog style, and now hamburger style. You're going to fold it once, and you're going to fold it one more time. And then you're done. So after you open it up, you should have 16 different boxes. Okay? And then I want you to start on the back of your paper. You can write your name, period, and then title this assignment as well. I'll let you know what the title is. And then I want you to, on each of the boxes, you're going to fill it in with lines. So different type of lines. So for example, I'm gonna just work on this one right here to show you. So this is my box. So I need to be aware, you don't have to draw it, but I'm gonna just draw it so that you can see that there is, can't really see, so I have to draw it darker for you. Yes. So you can see there's that one box right there, and then I want you to fill in that box with one type of line. So for example, I'm going to just draw straight lines to fill in the whole box. Okay, you do not need a ruler, but if you want to use a ruler, you can when you're doing straight lines, that is. So I fill in my box with straight lines. As you can see, I can go the other way too if I want to add more lines to it. And then on another box, you can fill in different lines. You can use wavy, zigzag, spiral, any type of line that you want to use. Or you can mix it too if you really want to. I'll show you some examples in class, but this is how you will do the assignment. You're going to fill in pretty much all 16 boxes with line. Okay?